Hey guys, Chantel Way here, and just a special episode here. I just wanted to tell you, if you don't know anything about me or the Chantel Way, I'm a woman probably like you has struggled with my weight for years. I found success in so many areas of my life, but I just couldn't find success when it came to sustainable weight loss. So I have set out in the last 20 years on a journey of meeting and interviewing naturally thin women who have been thin their whole life, and they seem to make it effortlessly to be thin. And so I was like, those are the people I want to hear from. I want to interview them. I want to see what they do. And I found out their knowledge is so eye-opening that I started interviewing them, and I started video interviewing them. So like I could see exactly what they ate, exactly what they did in their own words. And I developed the Chantel Way based on what they taught me. And a lot of them didn't know they were intermittent fasting. Like none of them were like, oh, I do intermittent fasting. It was just like they did intermittent fasting. Like they would be like, well, I just have coffee for breakfast and I don't really start eating till 12 o'clock or 11 o'clock or whatever they said. And so anyway, I want to share these principles and these video courses with you. I want you to see these videos because it really elaborates on what they say, how they say it. What I tried to do with my book is I tried to sum up what they said, but it's not as powerful. What's really powerful is you watching them, watching how they eat, listening to what they do. For example, if you wanted to be rich, wouldn't you want to sit down with someone that was really rich and say, hey, what did you do? How did you do that? How did you save money? And you'd want to hear it from their own words. So that's what this video course is going to do. I want to tell you, this video course is going to really take your weight loss to a whole new level. So what they're going to do is I'm going to teach you things about the history of fasting, the different types of fast. We're going to go into the different eating window options. We're going to talk about focusing on hunger and fullness. But the most powerful thing is going to give you inside access on the insightful thin eater interviews that I did. And you're going to get to watch them eat. It's amazing. Now, I want to tell you a few of the tips I learned from these thin eaters. You're going to learn how to identify true hunger.
I physically feel it in my stomach. I mean, it
so
gets to that point.
You hear your stomach growling.
Yeah, I may hear my stomach growling, or I just go, gosh, I feel a little bit, I think I need to eat. But that, like, my blood sugar maybe drops. I don't know if that's a good thing, but that's what happens.
You usually wait until your stomach
Until
growls.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, and
I'm
you
actually
hear that
hungry.
it's hungry, yeah.
Rather than a preventative measure.
Well, when I'm not hungry, if food is not in front of me, I'm not thinking about food. That's just me. However, if something that I really like is put in front of me, like let's say somebody at work brings in some donuts, then I'm in the habit of, before I just reach for one just because they look like they would taste good, asking myself, am I really hungry, or am I just eating that because I think it'll taste good?
You're going to learn how to enjoy real food and not deprive yourself.
I eat whatever I'm craving. I mean, I truly use that principle. If I want a taco, I'm going to have a taco. And I'm going to have just one taco. And that's it, because that's all that I need. I really try to eat whatever my body wants. I eat that. I don't deprive myself of it. And that has been a game changer, because every other diet I have tried deprived me of something, bread, sugar, whatever. And I just fell off the bandwagon 2 weeks later. And this, I can eat what I want. I just eat a really small portion of it. And I try to still make really good choices, but I eat what I want.
I decide when I'm going to eat when I'm hungry. And I am typically hungry when I get up in the morning, and then around lunch, and then I have a snack in the afternoon, usually yogurt or some fruit or something to tide me over. And then we eat dinner fairly early, which is about 6:30. And I also think that helps, having an early dinner so you're awake for a while before you go to sleep. I think that helps keep you slender.
You're going to learn how to stop before you're full.
No, unfortunately, I don't eat slowly. And when I recognize that, which I do sometimes, I will slow down. And it is amazing to me how the speed of eating actually allows me to become fuller and not eat as much. When I eat quickly, sometimes I eat beyond full.
Yes, beyond
and then I am, oh my gosh, I feel miserable.
Yes. In addition to this course, we're also offering coaching and a free 10-minute coaching call introduction to help you with the process. So no matter where you are on your wellness journey, we're here to help you take that next step. And if you have a question that you want answered, go to questions@chantelrayway.com. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.